Welcome to an extraordinary journey through luxury and sophistication. Today, we invite you to explore a residence unlike any other, perched majestically on the verge of the escarpment with unparalleled views of Tabletop Mountain. Join us as we unveil the exquisite features of this impeccably designed masterpiece, offering an enviable lifestyle in the heart of Toowoomba. Step into a realm of opulence and refinement as you behold the breathtaking vista that greets you from every angle. The bespoke blend of stone and timber creates a sense of luxury and elegance, while high-end finishes and atmospheric lighting accentuate the depth of colours and textures within. Each room reveals standout features, from vast and open spaces to cozy and ambient alcoves, providing a dynamic living experience tailored to perfection. Experience the integration of indoor and outdoor living spaces as you explore the floor plan of this magnificent residence. The compelling connection between the open-plan living area and the adjoining alfresco and terrace evokes a surreal sense of living on the edge, inviting you to embrace the beauty of nature in every moment. Meanwhile, the intimacy of the New York-inspired bar and lounge offers a retreat from the everyday hustle and bustle, beautifully encasing a gorgeous in-ground swimming pool that epitomizes luxury living. Venture outside and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the professionally landscaped gardens surrounded by the residence. As we conclude our tour of this extraordinary residence, we invite you to envision the lifestyle of luxury and refinement that awaits within its walls. Thank you for joining me on this journey through elegance and sophistication. Until next time, may you find your own piece of paradise amidst the beauty of Toowoomba's escarpment.